Hello guys, today I will show how to download Delta Executor and use Red script. First open Google and go to this website in description. Click direct install, then install, and the Delta will start download. I already have it. When the app installed, open it and watch 2 ads. When you watch ads, open Blocks Fruit. Now you need to get the key. It's too easy. Open the Google again and paste the link. Click on the Loot Lab. And here you need to watch 4 ads. And here is your key. Open Roblox again and watch the 2 ads. Then open Blocks Fruit and paste your key. And here is Delta. Now I need the script. It's Reds. You can find it in the description too. Reds, it's 2 up. You can farm Levless and teleport to fruits and do raid. I think that's all, guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you got a problem, just put a comment. And bye.